Hello kids, how are you today? Are you good? Let's learn some animals' names. Let's go. Look, here is the snake. Snake. Very good. This is the crocodile. Crocodile. Great. This is the monkey. Monkey. Very good. This is the parrot. Parrot. Great. This is the lion. Lion. Very good. And this is the elephant. Elephant. Very good. Now let's get our mouse and me book and let's open at page 29. This one. Look here, the animals we saw. Now let's go by the end of the book and get the stickers. This one. Let's get all these stickers here. Now that we separate the stickers, let's see the animals and put the stickers on the right place, okay? So let's go. The first animal is this. What animal is this? The elephant. Very good. Where is the elephant here? Right here. So let's get the elephant sticker and glue it right here. This way. The next animal is this. What animal is this, guys? It's the lion. Very good. Where is the lion here? Right here. So let's get the lion sticker and glue it here. This way. Now, what animal is this? Monkey. Very good. So let's get the monkey sticker and put here. And what animal is this? Parrot. Very good. So let's glue the parrot here. This way. Now, let's get coloring pencil or crayons. We are going to use the green and blue. Look, green and blue. Let's color the snake using the coloring pencil blue. Where is the snake? Here, let's color blue. Look, the snake blue. Now, the crocodile. Let's color the crocodile green. Where is the crocodile? Right here, very good. So let's color it green. This way. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you enjoy our class. Bye bye, guys, and see you.